In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph linear equations, which means straight lines, using three different methods. So the first one here is 3x plus 4y equals 12. That is the standard equation. For this here, all you need to do when it's written like this, and with these nice numbers, just find the x-intercept. And you know what? When you're finding the x-intercept, just make the y0. If you make the y0, 4 times 0 is canceled. So what you're going to have 3x equals 12. And therefore, x equals 4. So the x-intercept is 4. I'm going to go to the x-axis, and I'm going to put a point right at 4. To find the y-intercept, make the x0, and when you make the x0, 3 times 0 is gone. Now you'll have 4y equals 12, and you know 4 times 3 will give you 12, so the y-intercept is 3. So you could do this really fast during your test. Like you just, all you need to do, just if you're finding the y-intercept, ignore the 3x and solve it that way, and if you're finding the x-intercept, ignore the 4y and solve it that way, and you could do that really fast. So we said the y-intercept is 3. Now, having these 2 points, you could graph the rest of it. Okay. Now, let's go to the second one. The second one is written in the slope y-intercept form. This is the y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept here, which is b, equals 3. And the slope, which is m, equals -3 over 4. Now you go plot in your y-intercept. So 3 is the y-intercept. Here you go, just plug in the 4 right here. And then the slope is -3 over 4. That means you go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put a point. And then you go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, and you point. Also, you could go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and you just keep on doing that, and you'll be able to graph this. As I said, if the slope is negative, make sure your line is going down as you go from left to right. Not right to left, but left to right. As you go from left to right, you should be going down if the slope is negative. Now, let's graph this. So as you see, both of these are the same line. So let's go to the last one. So here, this is called the slope point form. Okay, so this usually is written like this. Y minus y1 equals m the slope, x minus x1. Okay, and so therefore x1 here is going to be -8. And y here is going to be 9. So you always change the sign, okay? So x and y, that is the point here, is -8 for the x and +9 for the y. As I said, change the sign. And m is the slope, so the slope is -3 over 4. So m is -3 over 4, as we see here. So now we go here, plot the point, -8 and 9. So if we go -8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have our point right here. And now we walk our slope. So we go down, because it's negative slope, we go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. So as you see, all of these equations represent this equation basically. And now you could just graph it again. So we'll just throw some dark graph in there to make sure that we're representing the last graph. And then again, it's going to be right here, and it's going to be this graph. So all of these equations represent the same graph. It's just we're graphing them using a different method because the equation could be written in so many different forms. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.